this video, we will see the operational part of BPL volumetric pump Acura V1. Volumetric pumps offer significant advantages over manual administration of fluids, including the ability to deliver fluids in small volumes and the ability to deliver fluids at precisely programmed rates and automated intervals. The BPL Acura V1 is a fully featured volumetric pump suitable for critical care and general infusion applications. Pump has 3.2-inch color LCD screen. This is the power button to switch on and off the pump. This is the working light which indicates the infusion in process. This is the battery indicator. This is the AC power indicator. Audio pause button to silence the alarm, the purge or the bolus button, start and the stop option. This is the light for visual indicators of alarms. These are function keys. These numeric keys are used to set the parameters. At the back side, you can be able to see AC power socket, drip sensor interface to connect the drip sensor, rotatable clamp for mounting purpose. The device has 2000 mAh nickel metal hydride battery which gives 4 hours of backup. As you can see, screen shows battery status, volume level, infusion set, infusion mode, flow rate, volume to be infused, remaining infusion time, total infused volume, occlusion pressure set. Let's look into the installation. Pump can be installed on horizontal or vertical pole by changing the position of its clamp. Plug the pump's power cord into an electrical outlet with protective earth connection. The AC indicator and the battery indicator light up. Press the power button to turn on the machine. Listen for the beep. If AC power is not connected to the battery, or if the battery is low, the warning shows AC lost. Press menu key to continue. IV set installation. Close the roller clamp of IV set and insert the back spike into the solution container. Gently press the drip chamber to fill it up to 1/3 full. Open the pump door. Thread the IV set down the fluid path, making sure it is threaded to fixtures. Close the pump door and open the roller clamp. Ensure all air is removed from IV set before connecting it to the patient. You can use purge function to eliminate the air bubbles from the IV set. You can select IV set brand by entering main menu. Press 2 to enter into brand list, then select the brand of IV that has been using. Selecting infusion mode. The default injection mode of the pump is rate mode. You can choose other injection modes in the menu. Let us see how to set the different modes. Rate mode. Use the numerical key to set the flow rate. Then press OK to confirm. After all the parameters are confirmed, press to start button for start infusion. To use drops per minute, drip sensor has to be connected at the backside and set the parameters to start infusion. Time mode. Press menu. System will enter main menu. Navigate to running mode by pressing 1. Select time and confirm or just press 2. The screen will show the time mode interface. Use numerical keys to set the desired infusion time. Input volume to be infused, the corresponding flow rate shows. After these parameters are confirmed, press start to start the infusion. Wait mode. In running mode, select wait mode and confirm. System will enter into the unit selection screen. There are 13 selectable infusion units. Select the desired unit and confirm. Adjust drug amount, solution volume and the body weight respectively. The solution concentration shows automatically. After these parameters are set, OK to enter the wait mode infusion interface. Press numerical keys and OK to set dose, and the flow rate shows automatically. After all parameters are confirmed, press start to start the infusion. Stage mode. In running mode, select stage mode and confirm. Set the volume to be infused first. Set different volume and flow rate in 2 or 3 infusion stages. Then press OK to go to the main display. Press start to start the infusion. Let us see how to give bolus infusion. 2 ways to set. First, manual bolus method. Press purge button and hold it. The pump starts to infuse at the preset bolus rate. Releasing the key, the pump continues to infuse at the previous rate automatically. The bolus volume is added to the total infused volume. Secondly, automatic method. During infusion, press purge key once to display the bolus display screen. Press rate to enter the screen of bolus rate adjustment. Press dose to set the bolus volume. After rate and volumes are confirmed, press purge key once to start the bolus. After the bolus is finished, the pump continues to infuse at the previous rate automatically. Pump saves up to 2000 events. To check these log details, enter menu interface and select system. Select log, enter view to view the history.